In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a row in Microsoft Project. If you've used spreadsheets, you might think about inserting a row, but in Microsoft Project, you're really adding a new task line to your task list. That's important, because Project treats each row as a task with its own fields and scheduling logic. The good news is, it's quick and flexible, and I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to do it. First, let's use the ribbon. Click on the task that sits below where you want the new task to appear. That selection matters because Project will place the new row directly above it. Now go to the Task tab on the ribbon, find the Insert group, and click Task. Instantly, you'll see a blank task row appear above your selection. You can start typing the task name right away, then tab over to fill in the duration, start and finish dates, or any other fields you need. This approach is great for dropping a task right between 2 existing ones without disrupting your flow. If you prefer the keyboard, there's an even faster method. Click the task where you want the new row to appear above, then press the Insert key. On some laptops, the Insert key might be combined with another key or require the FN key, so keep an eye on your keyboard layout. As soon as you press Insert, a new blank task pops in above the selected row, ready for you to name and edit. You can also use the right-click menu. Click the task where you want the new one to appear above, right-click, and choose Insert Task from the menu. This is handy if you're already using your mouse and want a quick, context-based option without navigating the ribbon. A few notes to make your workflow smoother. What looks like a blank row is actually a fully editable task, so you can immediately enter a task name, duration, start, and finish details. Project automatically renumbers the task ID column after you insert, so you don't have to worry about renaming or reordering IDs yourself. If you're simply adding a task at the end of your list, you don't need to insert anything at all. Just scroll to the bottom and start typing in the next empty row, and Project will create the task for you automatically. After inserting, it's a good practice to review any dependencies or constraints that might be affected, especially if the new task belongs between linked tasks. And if you make a mistake, you can always undo immediately. With these methods, you can keep your plan organized and accurate without breaking your stride.